Hi family, welcome to the channel once again. Thank you for being there and being active. We are going to review another video, family, that says the step-by-step guide to earn 300 a day with Google and how to make money online. So the video creator is saying that you are going to make $300 a day, and we made mention in the video that you can make even $900. That is 9k. When I first of all watched the title, I was a bit stunned because making $9,000 in a free time is freaky strange, family. So this is my honest review. I've tried it, I have tested it. I will show you how much I've made so far. Now the video starts by saying that you have to go to Google News. So let me show you my screen right now. So here's the Google News right there, and in that video she made mention that you have to click on a catchy title. So the idea is that you pick a news article from Google and then quickly copy it. So example, this article, then when the article opens, you need to copy its content, right? Like this one, you scroll down, copy the entire content, and then maybe this is okay for you, you copy it, then come to Spinbot here and paste the article right there. Then it will rewrite the article so that you can, so it won't be like an issue with plagiarism. So just go to advanced rephrase, sorry, not there, just come to here, big spin, and then it will rewrite the content here right for you. Then from there she gave us about getting to 14 websites that pays you when you post an article with them. So we are going to review just 4 because of the length of the video. We review just 4 of the websites that pays you for posting these articles right there. As I mentioned earlier, I've tried them and I'll show you how much I've gotten so far. It will really surprise you, so watch to the end. Now the first website that she made mention is Meredith, family. So when I first of all went to the website, I was wondering, where am I going to post the article, family? So I went through the whole website. I didn't see anything about you posting an article. What I see is about brands, advertising, career, and contacts, right? So there's nothing here that you have to sign up. There's nothing here that will make you post any article or gives you the chance. So I went down to the contacts, right? And I also moved down and I was like, okay, then let me this press inquiry. So let me send them an email and saying that I'm a professional blogger and I want to post articles with them. Family, nothing happened for a week now. I've not gotten any reply. So first of all, family, to my view, I think this site doesn't work. It never works. That's the first review of this site called the Meredith, family. But in case you have any idea on how it is done, kindly drop it at the comment section so you can also help us, because to me it didn't work for me. Maybe it worked for you. Let me know, guys. And the second website is also the penny holder, right? So that's why I have just googled it here. So it says that for the penny holder, family, on Google says that the penny holder is an American personal finance website and a brand based St. Petersburg, right? So let's see what will happen. So it says that make money, family. So here's making money work from home, 50 ways to make extra money. When I saw this, I was like, oh, this is a good website. So when I click on it, family, see what just happened. says that sorry, you have been blocked. Family, so this means that this website cannot be accessed by not every country. Some countries are limited. I'm from Africa, so I believe that this is in a way blocked from other African countries. So if you're from Ghana, Nigeria, name them, all these neighboring African countries, you cannot access the penny holder website for you to post the article. So second, guys, I've made nothing from the second site. And the third one, that says the traveling writer. Family, the website never opens. As you can see, I've done my best, refreshed everything. The site never opens. What comes is this can't be reached, and that is all that appears on my screen. But family, if it open on yours, let me know at the comment section, because this is not working for me at all. Because you all want to make money online, you all want to make that $9,000, but this isn't working for me. But if it opens for you in your country, comment below, let me know how this site works. Now the final one, family, is wow women writing. Before I make the review on this and the money I've made so far, in that video, family, she never taught us how to upload the articles. All that she did was just to tell us this website, we can post articles there, but she never taught us. And I believe that was the first red flag I should have seen before even wasting my time on this website. Because you have to teach us, tell us how to do it per website so that we can learn from it. Now family, let's go to the wow woman writing. So I also came to this website. This is the fourth one, and as you can see, family, there's nothing here at all. The same thing I had from the DoorDash Merit, family. There's nothing here that gives you the chance to upload any article right there. When you scroll down at the bottom, let me scroll down faster. For me, there's nothing here that indicates that you can upload any article. At the bottom, all that you see is links to contact us, ad rates, and the rest. But when I went to the contact us, and they displayed here, says that this is for them, if you want to advertise with them. And family, there's nothing here that makes you post an article. So this is what I also did, family. Yes, is submissions, website, newsletter, and there's nothing. So I emailed them as I did to the first website, and for a week now I've not received any email. But if this website has worked for you, can you drop at the comment section, let me know how this site worked for you. But family, so far all the 4 websites that we've reviewed, that is the DoorDash, the penny holder, the traveling writer, and the wow woman writing, none work for me. So family, I made zero. I made no money from this website. But maybe you have made an amount that I have no idea of. Let me know. Let us all learn. My family, thank you for watching, and thank you for watching throughout. I'll see you in the next review. But before that, drop us a like, subscribe, so that I can drop more videos than this. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.